In this video, you'll categorize the data from the simulated bank account in your spreadsheet. Categorizing can help you determine which costs are fixed and which are variable. It can also help you identify areas where you could spend less and save more. Take a few minutes to think about how you might categorize your spending. For example, gas is a car expense. Casa Mexicana is a restaurant expense. Haircut is an other expense, and so on. Classify each expenditure by typing the category name in each row. This example uses rent, utilities, restaurants, entertainment, school, shopping, and car. Use any categories you like. Just make sure that all of the debit charges fit into a category you create. Next, create a by category column in your summary table. Once you have labeled all of your expenditures, move on to the next video to start calculating your total expenditures in each category. Now it's your turn. Add columns in your data table and summary table for categories. Classify each of your expenditures in your data table. Then, move on to the next video.